Okay, so welcome back. So we are now back in our grading system. So I am done with what we call this one in informing you how to use this GSA or General Scholastic Aptitude. So this time we're going to go back to data entry. So all we have to do is just going to press this hyperlink text. So it will turn back to data entry sheet. So this time around, so what if you're done in this particular grading system, all the grades were intact and correct. So this time you're going to provide an SF10 copy to the registrar, all of your students, so separate from this file. So how would you create SF10 records in this particular grading system file? You're going to extract this SF10 out of this one. So all you are going to do first is to go this particular hyperlink text to SF10. So it will lead you in this particular portion. So as you can see there, so there's a entry for number 1, number 2. For number 1, that is for Raymar Agbon. So don't you worry that this particular section in here will not be printed out because it has been set a print area that this particular portion only from cell B1 to what we call this one, 079 will only be printed in this particular portion. So di na po tayo na mag-worry na meron tayong other datas aside from this particular range of cells. So this time, so ano na po na introduce ko sa iyo kung sa inyo kung paano po siya mag-extract ng SF10 dito out of this given file. So first is siya po yun siya, number 1 po para kay Agbon. So all you're going to do is right click, then move or copy, then choose new book, then create a copy. Okay, so napunta na po tayo sa new book, no? So yan po siya yung number 1 para kay Agbon. So all you're going to do is just rename this one. So don't you worry, we are in separate worksheet already, separate workbook, so separate Excel file. Okay, so we're going to rename this one. So this time this is for Agbon, no? So yan po sa pag-encode natin. So right click din natin siya, move or copy. So nandito na po tayo sa new book natin, then move to N, create copy, then shall we say Alvisa. Alvisa. So para hindi po tayo malito, so maybe we're going to color this one to another color. So shall we say for example red. Okay, so we have green and red. So since para na po to kay Alvisa, all you're going to do is to change the number in cell R1. So that is for number 2. So number 3. So para ma-alternate po yung pag-color natin, so dito tayo mag-move or copy kay Agbon. Move to N, then i-check po natin ang create a copy, then okay. So tingnan natin kung sino yung number 3. So number 3 is for Arcelo. So you're just going to rename this one Arcelo, no? Rename that one as Arcelo. So since meron man tayong 10 learners in this particular demonstration, so we're just going to finish this one until the 10th, no? The 10th sample. Okay, so this time this is for Batukan. Okay, so that is so on and so forth, no, until matapos nyo po lahat ng mga mails only. So pag tapos natin sa mga mails, so iba na lang po pong separate file or iba na namang file para sa mga girls. Okay, so move on na po ako until sa time na matapos ko to lahat. Okay, okay, so natapos ko na po lahat ng mga para sa boys na learner. So ang next natin gagawin is that we're going to what we call this one, to break the link, no, para kahit po saan magpunta po itong file nyo, hindi po siya nasisira kasi na-break na po yung link ng particular file. So where you're going to press, or what to do is just go to the data menu. Then we have here edit links. So you're going to select this one. So after doing that one, so since this is what we call this one, protected, no? So you're going to unprotect that one, protect. So unprotect. So maybe you're going to unprotect first all the shit para maano po siya, what we call this one, para ma-break po natin ang links ng lahat-lahat na nandito. Okay? So i-unprotect ko lang po. So yan lang po siya pag unprotect. Madali lang. So na-unprotect na lahat. So babalik na tayo sa data. Tapos edit links. So meron po tayong nakalagay dito. So update values, change source, open source, break link, check status. So pipiliin po natin yung break link. I-break link. So okay lang po yan kahit ma-break na po ang link. So break link lang po. Yan, break link. So tingnan natin, break link na yun siya. So ang gagawin po natin, ang file name po natin para dito, we're going to save this one now. Save. By the way, paano ko po yun nag-save? Dito sa since this is Excel 2007 version, file, save as, then dito po Excel workbook, no? So pwede pa natin pangalanan natin to SF10 G7 Cadena de Amor, Cadena de Amor, shall we say boys, SY80 19 to 20. So para ma-emphasize lang po na ito po siya is SF10 in this particular section, then para sa boys in this particular school year. So yun po ang pag-save ko. So since nakalagay yun sa desktop ko yung file, so dito ko rin po ilagay yung SF10 ko na para sa Cadena de Amor grade 7 na boys. Okay? So since we're done with the boys, so sa girls na naman tayo. So pareho lang din yung gagawin nyo. So since we have 10 boys, so automatically pupunta na tayo sa ika-11 kasi nasa ika-11 ang mga girls. Okay? So you're going to do again is just like what we did for the boys. So move or copy, then new book, then create a copy, no? Then press OK. So once we are in here, so we are on separate Excel file. So all you are going to do is right click this one, move or copy, then what you call this one, create a copy. So maybe we're going to unprotect this one para madali na lang po maya, hindi na tayo mag unprotect sa isa. So ito i-rename po natin. So ito Acosta. So next na po is ika-12, no? Ika-12 na siya. So ika-12 si Alcazar. Okay? So just like what we did earlier, na para hindi po tayo malito, so maybe we're going to change the color in this particular sheet. So maybe red. Okay? So until such time matapos po nyo lahat ng mga girls, so on and so forth. Okay, so as you can see, natapos na po ako. So ito po yun siya ang pinaka mabilis na paraan na para makakopy po tayo ng SF10 separately from the grading system, na hindi na po tayo mag-i-encode muli. So kasi yun, isa rin yun sa burden, no, na pagkatapos mo nagawa, tapos mag-i-encode ka na naman uli. So burden na po yun siya. So yun lang po ang ginawa ko. I'm just going to move or copy that one particular sheet, then break the link, then patapos i-save ang file na ayon po doon sa file name format. So this time I'm now going to break the link, no, edit, then choose break link, no, break link lang yan siya, break link nyo lang. Okay. Okay, so tapos na break link na po siya. So all you're going to do is to save this file, save as. Then what we call this one, so ito po siya para sa boys. So we're going to rename this one kasi para yan sa boys. So this time ito po para sa girls. So as you can see, nakasave na po tayo ng SF10 grade 7 Cardinal Amor girls for school year 2019 to 2020. Okay, so makita po ninyo sa dito sa file natin, i-close natin to. I-close natin. So minimize lang yan siya. So makita nyo sa meron na tayong SF10 kanina ni Amor Boys. Ito na po yung ready for reading natin. So for example, si registrar ihingi ng copy nito. So mag-select lang po siya dito, no? So kaninong students ang gusto niyang titingnan na grades. So para hindi na po siya mahirapan kasi yung meron din akong na-observe sa mga ibang teachers na isa-isang file name o isa-isang file kada student. So what I did was isa lang po yan siyang file for the boys at isang file for the girls. So per sheet ko na lang po yan siya kasi yung natin, though ang ating SF10 meron siyang 2 pages, pero yung first page po, yung front SF10 front is good for grade 7 or grade 8. Then kung for example nandoon kayo sa grade 7 or grade 8, so grade 8 level, so doon din kayo magpunta sa SF10 front, pero yung sa likod para yun sa grade 9 and 10. So since itong demonstration ko is intended for grade 7, kaya po doon ako pumunta sa SF10 front. So ready na po tayo. So ready na po tayo para sa reading natin. So for example, si Agbon i-read na yung yung mga records niya, mga data niya. So ito na po yung i-present natin sa registrar for reading. So madali lang ba? So I hope it will help you a lot in doing this particular task, especially in extracting SF10 in every learner or every student. So that's all. Thank you.